My people, today let's talk about VDM, China Ross, and then BLord. In all these things, I don't blame any of them. Firstly, I blame the Nigerian agency, that FCCPC, who are supposed to be in charge of consumer protection and price regulation in Nigeria. Because if they have been doing their job very well, we are not even supposed to be here in the first place talking about someone buying phone 280 and deciding to sell it 450. It doesn't make sense. Do you get? But it is what it is because we are in Nigeria, anything goes. Now, I am a pure and true supporter of VDM because there are so many things he has done right. Just as a human being that he is, there are also some things he will do wrong. That's normal. Like this China trip and so certain things he has done, many of it are not actually okay. You can crash the price without calling somebody. So that is where I actually fault him. Do you get? Now, but basically, based on VDM that he is, he will always try to get the headline by calling someone out. Do you get? But that's very, very wrong. Then also as BLord, there are so many things he has also said and done that is actually far below the belt. To whom much is given, much is expected. He has gone beyond this level that he's playing also. VDM, the way he handles many things in this China trip is not actually okay. We all have to accept it. Even me as a writer, I believe that it's not okay. Because he was too quick to market that China Ross. He should have done his verifications first before actually trying to project into us for us to trust, but he didn't do it. Thank God he finally realized and actually trying to make amends. These are the things that he has done wrong in the China trip and all this saga about price, product and gadgets. Then for my Igbo brothers and sisters who has been trying to capitalize on this whole scenario and are trying to paint it like Igbo VDMs against the Igbo, all these things, I don't believe in that. I'm a full-blooded Igbo man, and I don't believe that you should exploit your own people because you are doing business. Do you get? In as much as I don't support anybody spoiling the business of my people because you want to help, there must be a balance. Do you get? To an average Nigerian now, it is a win-win situation for all of us, especially the average Igbo people. Because one, I know that many people from the Igbo strata, many people around Nigeria are actually waiting for VDM to fail. I've seen many videos flying here and there trying to criticize what he's doing and what has happened and all those things. See why I say that this thing is a win-win thing for average poor Igbo masses. One is that if VDM succeeds, it simply means that we, the poor masses, will get these gadgets cheaper. And then it will tell a lot about our people who has been exploiting us, all in the name of doing importation business. That is one win for us. The second win is that if he fails to import it, it also has to, VDM very well, he will expose the reason he wasn't successful in it. I've been suspecting that, Nigerian Custom Authority and Post Authority, all these people, they've been adding so much tariff, so much charges, so much tax in imported products, trying to stifle business, importation business in this country. So definitely, it will be one of the obstacles that VDM will face. So at the end, if he actually faces it and you didn't succeed in bringing those products into Nigeria, it simply means that he will call them out, and the whole Nigerians will actually come to see and realize the sacrifices, the efforts and the stress an average Igbo businessman has been going through, the suffer they've been going through just to import and sell in Nigeria. Because you can't tell me that you should just be increasing taxes when you know that Nigeria is actually into importation business, like in an importing economy. So you can't tell me that you should be increasing, that you should find a way to balance it and lower these taxes and import duties, Anyhow it is. Anyhow, whether VDM succeed or he doesn't succeed, it is a win-win thing for us because if he succeed, we get the products cheaper. If he doesn't succeed, he will call out the people that make him not to succeed. And I believe that these port authority people, those people in charge of importation in Nigeria, he will call them out and all Nigerians will be able to see it clearly for who they are. That's my humble opinion, and I believe that you should just calm down, watch and see. Don't be too fast to judge, don't be too fast to rejoice. Just calm down and watch as the matter unfolds. Thank you, and may God bless you all.